What's up guys, this is Vajahat from Innovative and today I'm unboxing Huawei P20 Lite. So as you can see in front of me I have brand new P20 Lite in black color. It's a magnificent device with top-notch display similar to iPhone X. The price of Huawei P20 Lite in Pakistan is around 33,000. It is loaded with great features and price is very reasonable. This version is in midnight black color with 64 GB storage and 4 GB of RAM. So let's unbox it. As you can see, the seal is broken as I have checked this phone before making this video. So there we have it. It's pure black. Now this is P20 Lite. You can see it's pretty and shiny and handy smartphone. We will take a look at it after seeing what's inside the box. It's a warranty card which comes with a Huawei 1-year local warranty. Let's keep that aside. So what's inside that? Okay, so here's a SIM tool by Huawei, and this is the instruction manual which you can read if you are new. And here is the data or charging cable, ordinary cable, and this is the charger, which is I think a quick charger, and yes it is. And the last thing in the box are these ordinary earphones which are not special and pretty much comes with every phone. So these were the items which comes with the Huawei P20 Lite. So now let's take a look at P20 Lite itself. The handset brings beautiful design, especially with shiny effect and gorgeous HD display. So now let's feel this from this phone. Oh wow, that was such a good feeling. You can see this beauty and its remarkable build quality. Actually, this is a fingerprint reader and these are dual cameras, 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel depth camera with flashlight, and there are some text written over here with the Huawei logo. I'm actually kind of love with this black color and it really suits on this phone. On the right side you have volume and power keys, and on the left you have SIM and SD card tray. At the bottom you have headphone and charger port and speaker, and on the front screen you have 16 megapixel selfie camera. So let's turn this thing on. There we go, it's turned on and getting ready for use. Screen is pretty bright and this whole screen adds very nice look to it. It's fast and snappy as it has 2.2 GHz Octa-core, 4 GB RAM and 3000 mAh battery. So that was it from the unboxing. If you want to see the complete review of it, just subscribe to my channel and like the video.